Frater will hand on to the individual 100-meter champion, Yohan Blake, and Jamaica are in the lead. Then USA and Trinidad. It's Jamaica all the way, and it's Usain Bolt who takes it. Oh, there's a fall. Oh no, once again a tragedy for the USA and indeed for Trinidad, leaving Usain Bolt to come home, supreme style, and 37.04 is on the clock. It's a world record.
Jamaica's 4x100 meter relay team once dominated the track with legendary sprinters like Usain Bolt, Yohan Blake and Asafa Powell, shattering world records and claiming gold medals at nearly every major championship. But after a stunning drought post-2016, the team is now in a rebuilding phase with a new generation of talents like Kishane Thompson and Oblique Seville. Can these Jamaican men reclaim Jamaica's relay glory? In this video, we break down Jamaica's historic dominance, the challenges they face today, and whether the 2025 Tokyo World Championship could mark their triumphant return to the podium. Let's get right into it. Since the 2007 Osaka World Championship, Jamaica has proven to be the most competitive and consistent Caribbean country in the men's 4x100 meter relay. Athletes like Usain Bolt, Nesta Carter, Yohan Blake, Michael Frater, and Asafa Powell were the best to carry a baton for Jamaica. In fact, despite Jamaica's Beijing 2008 Olympic gold medal in the event being stripped because of Nesta Carter's use of performance-enhancing drugs, Jamaica continued its consistency in the event. The team won gold medals at the 2009 Berlin World Championship, the 2011 Daegu World Championship, the 2012 London Olympics, the 2013 Moscow World Championship, the 2014 Glasgow Commonwealth Games, the 2015 Beijing World Championship, and the 2016 Rio Olympics. Jamaica's best time in the event came at the 2012 London Olympics, where they broke the world record with 36.84 seconds to become the first country to run below 37.00 seconds in the event. Since their 2016 Rio Olympic gold medal, Jamaica went through a drought. It was not until the 2023 Budapest World Championship that the land of wood and water returned to a significant championship podium by earning the bronze medal. It's safe to say that Jamaica is going through a changing of the guard with athletes such as Kishane Thompson, Oblique Seville, Ackeem Blake, Bryan Levell, Jelani Gordon, and others who have or either on their way to break the magical 10.00 seconds barrier in the 100 meter. The 4x100 meter relay is an event that does not take all the fastest athletes, but athletes who can pass the baton with efficient speed. The 2024 track and field saw Kishane Thompson, Oblique Seville, Ackeem Blake and Bryan Levell run below the 10.00 seconds barrier. Mind you, they were the only ones to do so. Many fans thought Jamaica would have earned a medal in the 4x100 meter relay at the Paris Olympics. Unfortunately, the team did not advance to the final, which caused some concern. This was the first time since the 2004 Athens Olympics that Jamaica had not made the final. With most of Jamaica's best male sprinters below the age of 25, it can be said that they can potentially improve their performance and be on the podium more consistently. While the road to reclaiming their throne has been challenging, the rise of young stars like Kishane Thompson and Oblique Seville brings hope for a bright future. With raw talent, determination, and the spirit of champions before them, this new generation has the potential to reignite Jamaica's relay glory. What do you think about Jamaica's next generation of sprinters? Can athletes like Kishane Thompson and Oblique Seville lead the 4x100 meter relay team back to gold medal glory? Or do you think it will take more time for Jamaica to regain their dominance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out this video on Kishane Thompson's chances of bringing back glory to Jamaican male sprinting. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.